So today I'm gonna make some pasta for lunch.
In the rear view, you start humming along to the first verse of your favorite song that you quote each day with the words all wrong. So call me when the world looks bleak. I love you, but it's hard to believe. With every day we'll start to see the rest is metamodernality.
So I found some crochet hooks, but they don't have the size I want. So I want a 6mm one. They'll have 7. So, I mean, would it make a difference though? Anyway, we're just chilling right here in the park. I'm crocheting. It's kind of, we're getting somewhere right now. Yeah.
Voice is fine because it's not like anyone recognizes my voice besides people I know.
Got some food and we're just chilling. It's a nice day. It's not super hot and we're just chilling. Okay. We just found our first geocache in there. It's this camel colored tube. There's not a lot inside. There's some logs, but we don't have any pens. But yeah, we found our first geocache. How are you feeling? Good. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a mullet soon. I'm a bit early, so I'm just waiting around for the salon to open. And yeah, I'll see you in there. Oh hey, didn't see you there. Yes, I got a mullet. I got a mullet. It's not super crazy because it had some layers before, so I feel like it wasn't a huge transition from that, but it's definitely like a lot thinner and you can tell a bit in the back. Yeah, so this is my hair now. I think it's not super crazy and I really love it. I think this is gonna be a very cute look for the foreseeable future. Everybody, today we're gonna have a picnic here in this little park. And we got some food. My friend, she is getting salad and I have some sushi. There she is. And we're thinking of going to the grassy area to take photos later. Hey everybody, so we found like a little nice sort of dry grass area. We're here. And we set up our mat. And yeah, we're hopefully gonna get some good pictures and try to make this location work, even though it's not ideal because the grass looks dead and it's not even green anymore. And the trees are dying. You can see all those, a row of dead skeleton trees. That's the vibe we're going for. We're rolling out the dough. This is what mine looks like. Look at this. We're making cookies right now. And it's just warm up. So we're making rosette cookies. This is what they look like, and we're actually frying them. So first we're dipping these irons in the hot oil and then dipping them into the batter. Okay.